here with me. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Alright, today we're going to make something creative, and I like you to make some of you short movie, and then you like. So now please form a group with your friend, and you can share your idea with your friends, and you can choose about anything else you want to use for this project. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Hi guys, how about we make a short movie titled "Waiting for a Miracle"? Sounds pretty interesting, right?
Agree. It sounds cool if we can pull it off well.
Alright, now we just need to pick the editing software. Any suggestion?
I think we should use CapCut. It's simple, free, and we can edit directly on our phones.
But if we use Adobe Premiere Pro, the result will look more professional. Premiere has way more features than CapCut.
Sure, it's more complete, but it's also complicated, especially for beginners. CapCut is easier to use.
True. CapCut is more user-friendly. But if you want complex effects, Adobe Premiere Pro seems more reliable.
I think CapCut is enough. We're just making a simple short movie where we don't need too many advanced features.
But Adobe Premiere gives you more control and can make the video look even better.
Hello everyone. What are you discussing so intensely? It sounded so interesting for me.
Well, sir, we're debating which editing app to use. Some of us want to use CapCut because it's simpler, but some want Adobe Premiere Pro.
Ah, I see. Well, your choice of software really depends on your needs projects. If you're aiming to make a quick, simple video, CapCut is your great choice. But if you want really top quality results with professional control, you can use Adobe Premiere for best option.
That's what I was saying, sir.
With Premiere, we can create something more polished and professional.
Exactly. Adobe Premiere Pro offers in-depth control of editing. You can use color, lighting, and effect with much more detail. Okay? And since this is a short movie project, a more professional result would definitely add value to your work.
So, you recommend using Adobe Premiere, sir?
Yes, with Premiere you have more freedom to explore your creativity. It may be more complex, but you'll learn a lot about professional editing, and the results will be more satisfying.
Right, sir. We'll try to use Adobe Premiere Pro for this project.
Okay, great. This is a good opportunity to learn something new. Don't hesitate to ask if you need any help. Good luck with your work.
Thank you, sir.